Did you know? Your brain predicts events before they happen. Have you ever caught something before you even realized it was falling? Think your brain reacts to the world? Not exactly. Your brain doesn't wait for events, it predicts them. It constantly guesses what will happen next. Instead of reacting in real time, your brain uses past experiencer to build predictions. Reality predictions first, correction later. That's how you catch a ball, finish someone's sentence, or flinch before impact. You're not just seeing the world, you're seeing your brain's best guess of it. Your brain lives slightly in the future. Your brain doesn't passively receive reality, it actively predicts what will happen next. This idea is called predictive processing. Right finger the brain is less like a camera, and more like a prediction machine. The brain constantly makes guesses about the world. It uses past experiences to predict incoming information. Then it compares prediction with actual sensory input. If there's a mismatch, it updates. Catching a ball right pointing arrow, your brain predicts its path before it arrives. Finishing someone's sentence right pointing arrow, you anticipate their words. Driving right pointing arrow, you predict other cars' movements. Reading right pointing arrow, your brain guesses the next word before you see it. You're always slightly ahead of the present moment. Anxiety happens when your brain predicts danger. Excitement happens when it predicts reward. Even flinching before impact is a prediction. Feelings often come from expectations, not just events. You're not experiencing raw reality. You're experiencing your brain's best guess of it, constantly updated in milliseconds. Your brain lives slightly in the future. Have you ever caught something before you consciously realized it was falling? Or finished someone's sentence before they said the last word? That's predictive processing in action. Your brain is constantly anticipating what happens next. When a ball is thrown toward you, your eyes detect its motion. But your brain doesn't wait for it to arrive. It calculates speed, angle, and trajectory instantly. It predicts where the ball will be, not where it is. By the time your hand moves, it's already aiming for the future position of the ball. If your prediction is slightly off, your brain makes tiny corrections in milliseconds. That's why catching feels automatic. Right finger, you're acting on a forecast, not just reacting. When someone speaks, you don't process each word one by one like a machine. Your brain predicts the next word based on context. That's why you can finish someone's sentence. It's also why misunderstandings happen, when your prediction is wrong. In fact, your brain starts preparing a response before the other person finishes speaking. You're not just listening, you're anticipating. When you drive, you predict when the car ahead will brake. You anticipate pedestrians stepping onto the road. You adjust speed before danger fully appears. If drivers only reacted instead of predicted, traffic would be chaotic. Prediction keeps you safe. When you read this sentence, your brain already guessed the next word. It fills in gaps. It predicts structure. It even autocorrects mistakes without you noticing. Like and subscribe for more fun facts.